Hello, and welcome to Donation Investment. This analysis is for Eli Lilly on the New York Stock Exchange as of 6th of July 2026 with a share price of $1,200. The full report is on donation.ca. Eli Lilly is the premier GLP-1 growth story. Mounjaro and Zepbound, elite margins, a deep pipeline. But after a 9% run to a fresh all-time high, it trades at about 30 times forward earnings, in our expensive band, with only about 6% upside to consensus and an elevated competitive threat. A superb business at a rich price. Hold. Eli Lilly's growth is dominated by its incretin franchise, tirzepatide, sold as Mounjaro for diabetes and Zepbound for obesity, the fastest growing drug class in history. It earns about 84% gross margins, has a deep pipeline including an oral GLP-1 and next-generation obesity drugs, and a best-in-class research engine. It's a genuinely superb business commanding an enormous market. Here's what caps it. After a 9% run to a fresh all-time high, Lilly trades at about 30 times forward earnings, over 40 times trailing, against a warranted multiple near 23. That's our expensive band, and there's only about 6% upside to the analyst consensus, with the stock overbought. The low PEGI looks cheap only if you credit the full hype growth. Our disciplined anchor deliberately does not. The competitive threat is elevated and rising. Novo Nordisk is a formidable direct rival and is price competing. Oral GLP-1s and next-generation drugs from Viking, Amgen and Pfizer could erode share and pricing, and payers and policymakers are pressuring GLP-1 prices. None of that breaks the franchise, but paired with an expensive multiple, it makes the risk-reward at this price poor. Now, the other side of the ledger, a competitive readout takes decisive GLP-1 share, a pricing formulary shock on GLP-1s, expensive multiple D rates from an ATH. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 17% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 7%, and the bear case a fall of about 21%. So you are risking about 21 to make 17. So, our call on Eli Lilly on the New York Stock Exchange. Hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donation Investment at donation.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.